it's happening. Hey guys, wanna go to the table?
Yeah, I'm coming. Let me, hold on. He's recording us, that's what I'm saying. He wants to record us eating pizza. No. I would too. Why don't you start recording after I get off in just a few minutes, okay, buddy? Because we'll have all this in just a second, and then we'll start it, okay?
Hi guys, my name is Jasmine.
Hey, and I'm Mom, or Stephanie.
We're eating red and pink blue food. Let's eat.
Okay. Drink first. Ooh. Good. Right?
Yeah.
Think you wanna.
Let's start eating. Let's eat more.
What do I eat?
Doritos, Cool Ranch, birthday Princess cupcakes, and caramel M&Ms. Let's eat.
Good.
And I eat
I eat that pizza.
Doritos, Little Caesars pizza, M&M peanut butter, and Coca-Cola. And you drink Pepsi.
Ooh. These are pretty good. A little ranchy. They're good though. What do you think? Next. Cupcake.
M&M.
One bite? Good. How's that pizza?
Good.
Good. Big pizza over there to have to eat by yourself. Those are good. What?
What?
All right. That was pretty good. I wish that was on my side. Wish that was on the blue team.
I'm on red.
I know. Pretty good. What's your favorite?
Red.
What's your favorite out of the red? What do you like the best?
Doritos, M&Ms, and Coke and pizza.
But like in order, the first one's the best. Pizza? Then what?
Second is Coke, third is M&Ms, and fourth is Doritos.
think Doritos first, the M&Ms, the cupcakes, and the Pepsi.
First is Pepsi and fourth is cupcakes.
Yeah. That's right. Pretty good. Makes you want to burp, don't it? Yes. You love pizza though. Any kind of pizza, really. You love Little Caesars. And Papa John's. Domino's. Pizza Hut. Marco's. What else? All right. This is good. Getting full. What about you?
Mine.
You're full?
I'm 0 to 7. It's good.
Mine, out of 10, I give this a 9.5. What about you?
I got this a 10 out of 10.
Mine's pretty close to that. It was great. This was good choices, wasn't it? For Team Red and Team Blue. We made some good choices to eat. Whew. Full. Ah, you're slipping over to the blue team. Oh.
I'm not slipping over. This is pretty good. We got a lot of pizza left over there. I'm getting all the pepperonis. Look at all that. Full of flavor. Pepperoni hot? Spicy? Oh, thank goodness. You love pepperoni.
What's your other favorite? Or not? Or you like cheese pizza
And pepperoni.
and pepperoni? Yeah. They're good choices. Oh, we forgot Cece's pizza. You like it too? We've had it before. I would say we really like Marco's and Little Caesars. You're really eating that up. Bye.